Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Nathan. This is my horse here. I don't know what his name is. But anyways, we got the Roborock S6 versus a lazy person. Who's gonna win? Let's go ahead and get started. These robot vacuums have came a long way since the very beginning. Before this, it was just random navigating robots that you had to manually charge. Now these guys can go ahead and recharge on their own. They have smart mapping, so you can literally tell the robot where to go. So in this example, I'm telling the robot to do a spot clean to pick up those chips, and then the robot will return to its dock. But you'll see at the end of the video, it missed a few chips, so I told it to go back to a different area and clean up that area. But it's real easy. You can either do this by voice, you can tell the robot to start, stop, or you can even just use the map. So as these robot vacuums get smarter and smarter, the next step is creating a hybrid system, kind of like this Roborock S6. What that means is it does both sweeping, it does vacuuming, and it also has the ability to have a attachable mopping pad, which basically can mop up your floors. This is a great maintenance cleaner, so if you have light mopping duties, this robot vacuum can do a great job. So if you're in the market for a new robot vacuum, or you just want to try one out, or if you're looking to give one as a gift, they make great gifts because, you know, everyone has a busy lifestyle, and having a robot vacuum roam around the house definitely makes the chore a lot easier, because I usually only vacuum once a month by hand, but with these guys I can run them once a day, and it really makes the floors a lot cleaner. So check out my deals down below. I have some great models, the Xiaomi V2 Pro, which is a great hybrid robot vacuum, similar to the Roborock S5 has electronically controlled water reservoir, and it has all the smart mapping features as the Roborock. Also, we have the Roborock S5 very popular model, and it's on sale for about $439, so you can basically get $60 off the GearBest.com. Great deal. Alright, I want to give a great big shout out to Smart Robot Reviews. This is their footage showing the Xiaomi V2 mopping, but they do a really good job showing these robot vacuums in action, showing how it is in the real world. They do pickup tests, they do mopping tests. They also showcase other devices like upright vacuums. They do handheld vacuums. A lot of great stuff on their channel and website, so check them out. So if the robot vacuum missed a few chips, you can always tell it to go back over the same area again and have it clean up. Very nice feature. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Nathan. I do a lot of crazy robot vacuum reviews, unboxings, overviews, and I try to showcase these robot vacuums as it is. And if you're looking for a new robot vacuum, always check out my links, because I try to give you guys the best deals. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your holidays and be safe out there. I'll see you guys next time, and let me know down in the comments if you want to see a new robot vacuum. I am working with some partnerships to get some free robot vacuums here on this channel. Alright, I'll see you guys later.